Hey guys, it's Amanda here from Bend Like Bamboo, and this week's blog is all about doing something that scares you every day. Because when you can get out of your comfort zone like that and make it a routine for you, and it becomes familiar to seek the unfamiliar, so much can be possible for you. You'll really become unstoppable. So do something that scares you every single day. Start with smaller changes, brush your teeth with a different hand, start driving home on different routes, and change things up, mix it up to get your brain used to being in the unfamiliar. And if you do something that scares you as the first thing for the day, journal and really notice and meditate on what changes for you in your mind, in your body and life. Because predominantly clients come and see me to make a change in their mind, in their body and in their life. And so I created a model of change, which I'm sharing on this week's blog. So jump on this week's blog, which is do something that scares you every day, and you'll see my model of change. And they are the 3 R's in a Venn diagram. So the first R is reassess with awareness. When you know why you do what you do and you're more aware of your reactions, which leads to you understanding what you're deeply believing, which is a mirror image of what's going on in your environment around you and the biochemistry in your body, you can then make the necessary steps to get to the next R, which is taking responsibility. So when you're more aware of what's holding you back or what's blocking you, you can then take responsibility. And I look at that with the mind and the body and the life. So mind, body and nutrition. So with the mind, wash your mind in the same way you will wash your body. Wash your mind of yesterday's thoughts, old redundant ideas, and have a morning and an evening routine to do that. And with your body, move your body with regular exercise, look after your body, it's your temple, and obviously nourish your body with real whole foods. And so when you're reassessing with your awareness and you're taking responsibility, this leads you to the 3rd R, which is rewire. And you can rewire your brain so easily. It takes 21 days to create a new habit. And consistency is key. So I created some more tools, which you'll see on the blog. Daily meditation and daily journaling is how I keep myself accountable to keep myself aligned in awareness. Remember, when you're in the moment, you can create something new. When you become out of focus, going to autopilot, reflecting on the past, or being stressed about the future, you go into autopilot, and that's where your worst case scenarios and worst behaviors can come out. And that's when you're not being conscious. So a few tips today. I really do hope you enjoy this week's blog, and do something that scares you every day.